Title card, American Beauty, Jeanspiration Makeup tutorial. Hey there, gorgeous! I'm thrilled to bring you this stunning Jeanspiration makeup look that's all about capturing the essence of American beauty. We're going to create a makeup look. Now, let's get started with the makeup application. I'll guide you step by step to recreate this Jeanspiration look, highlighting key techniques and tips along the way. Begin step-by-step makeup tutorial. We've carefully selected a range of high-quality USA-based beauty brands that exemplify American excellence in cosmetics. Step 1. The base. Achieve a flawless complexion by applying a lightweight, long-lasting foundation. We'll also conceal any imperfections for a smooth canvas. Welcome back, beauties! Today, we have a special treat for all our American viewers. Get ready to unleash your inner American beauty with our Jeanspiration makeup tutorial. Step 2. The eyes. We'll create a mesmerizing eye look that represents the depth and versatility of American beauty. Think stunning neutrals, shimmering blues, and a touch of sparkle. Step 3. Contour and glow. Sculpt your features using a matte bronzer, adding dimension and a sun-kissed glow. Then, let's enhance those high points with a radiant highlighter for that alluring American glow. Complete the look with a lip color that exudes confidence and sophistication. Whether you opt for a classic red or a modern nude, we'll show you how to achieve a stunning, long-lasting lip. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring makeup content. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep embracing your own Jeanspiration. Bye, lovelies.